Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
First, install Tmod Loader and use its mods menu to download and enable Magic Storage. This mod adds storage units, a storage heart, and a crafting terminal. Restart Terraria after enabling the mod so new items and recipes load correctly. Keep a backup of your world and characters before installing mods to avoid accidental data loss. If you play on multiplayer, ensure the server also runs the same mod version. Once that is done, proceed to obtain the basic magic storage items in-game. Craft or obtain at least one storage unit and one storage heart to start your system, plus a crafting terminal for recipe access. Place storage units in a compact row or grid to maximize access and minimize walking when you add more units later. Place the storage heart on a solid block near a workbench so it can register connected storage. The heart links all storage units within its loaded range. Open the crafting terminal to see combined inventories and craft, using any stored materials instantly. Add more storage units to increase total slots as your item count grows. Every unit increases combined capacity, so plan space for bulk stacks. Use the crafting terminal to search items by name or filter and to access recipes that use materials stored in any connected unit. Keep the storage heart loaded on your server or by staying nearby in single player so the network remains active. If you teleport away, the network will unload. Periodically reorganize and remove duplicate items to keep the system efficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.